In front of me is REALME GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select an app like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to click on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app and select split screen. Following that, just click on the other app, like Settings. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by dragging the first app upwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!